We are going to review top 5 best Bluetooth ceiling speakers. Let's get started. List number 1. Klipsch CDT 5650C2. The Klipsch CDT 5650 has so many positive reviews from customers it is hard to resist not clicking right away, which is totally fine because this is a treasure. However, there are 3 things to note about the speakers who earn its a high rating. First of all, the speakers are surprisingly easy to install. If you have had any experience with ceiling speakers, you would understand how important this is. It means that you are not put through a Herculean task before you start using it, and you won't have to sigh and mumble thinking about readjusting it. Bluetooth ceiling speakers. The second important feature is that the woofer and tweeter can be rotated, so you don't need to reinstall it just to direct the sound to the right angle. Thirdly, list number 2. Pyle 8.0 286. This Pyle speaker with inbuilt Bluetooth is definitely one of the best out there. It produces clean and clear sounds that can get very loud, up to 300 watts power of sound output. The inbuilt Bluetooth of the speakers makes it possible for you to adjust it fast and via mobile devices. This makes for convenient usage of the speakers. In addition to the commendable sound quality, even at high volumes, it is also known for being easy to install. So no need to be hesitant about buying it for the sake of installation, because the speakers are sure built to last for a long time. Below are some of the features of the Pyle 8.0 286 ceiling speakers that earned it a spot in our list of best Bluetooth ceiling speakers to get in 2021. List number 3. Speakercraft AIM-8. Speakercraft is easily one of the top brands of speakers out there, and it is no surprise at all that one of theirs had to belong to this list. The AIM-8 speakers are high-performing Bluetooth speakers that are aesthetically pleasing when installing, and that is why it is highly rated by customers. With many other speakers, what you have is inconsistent sound production that is better at one of the levels, but Speakercraft AIM-8 sets itself apart from them by producing clear sounds at all levels, giving consistency above so many of its other competition. Although the Speakercraft does not come with an inbuilt Bluetooth receiver, the overwhelming performance and design put it on this list. With this one installed in your space, you can enjoy a beautiful full surround sound experience. List number 4. Polk Audio RC80i. If what you want is good quality affordable speakers that are durable as well, the RC80i is the one for you. First off, you should know that with these speakers, you can install them in any space in the home, whether dry or humid. This is because the speakers can perform well in a moist environment due to the use of moisture-resistant material in its build, so do not be scared to buy if you are intending to use it in the bathroom. What the RC80i offers you is simply quality at an affordable price, because when tested, it was able to meet up with the sound quality of some other more expensive speakers, making the RC80i a relatively cheap option. Below are some of the features of the Polk Audio RC80i ceiling speakers that earned it a spot in our list of best Bluetooth ceiling speakers to get in 2020. List number 5. Yamaha NSIC 800WH. Whether for movies with a softer sound or for music with stronger bass, the Yamaha NSIC 800WH is a great in-ceiling speaker to have. The speaker doubles as a ceiling and a wall speaker as well, and is kept in place with the help of non-slip grips. There is quite notably a lot of good things to be said about these Yamaha speakers. A lot of them have taken it up as one of the best in-ceiling speakers, and when paired with a Bluetooth amplifier, it becomes one of the top best Bluetooth ceiling speakers 2021 lists. With a swiveling tweeter to help you direct the sound, dust and moisture protection, and a design that flushes very well with different ceiling design, it is easy to fall in love with the Yamaha NSIC 800WH.